afternoon from wherever you're watching. This is What's Up Zetech. I'm your host Yusuf Farah, and today I'm interacting with students from hospitality department, and as I walk down the halls I can hear a very aromatic smell, and you can tell that the students here are working to cook the best food. Hello. Hi. Looking lovely. Follow me as I go inside and see what happens. Thank you. It's been an amazing experience interacting with the students from the hospitality department. As you can see around me, people are still busy serving and working, and we can tell that they have the best experience here, so thank you to Zetech. I also had a chance to interact with one of the senior lecturers, Mr. Paul Mwangi, and this is what he had to narrate.
My name is Mwangi Paul.
Yes.
I'm a lecturer in this Department of Hospitality and Tourism.
Okay.
Today I'm teaching production, kitchen practical.
Okay.
Yes.
There is a lot of food that is being cooked here at your school, and we can tell from the people that are coming in, they're enjoying it. How do you make sure that your students are the best in what they're doing?
Students are the best. First of all, we start from the theory. They learn the theory bit of food production, then the actual. Then we always look at the trends, whatever is happening outside there, and we try and incorporate it in our training.
As you know, university is the place where students get to learn and equip their skills, and this is what one of the students had to say about the department.
Oh, my name is Ronnie Odhiambo. Yeah, my experience here has been good. We do a lot of practical to engage the teachers in a practical way. So for that reason, it's making us to gain more knowledge and skills on how we can perform.
As you know, this is What's Up Zetech, and I had an opportunity to interact with one of the lecturers under this department, Martin Butita, and this is what he had to say.
I'm Martin Butita. I'm a lecturer in the Department of Hospitality.
Okay.
Yes, I train both kitchen and service, and basically train the hospitality students.
Okay. Would you say that this university provides you with equipment that enable you to do the job that you want to do?
Yes, the resources are there, and they're manageable, and they're really helping us, especially to train the technical skills. You know very well that hospitality is a technical unit or course, so it warrants for equipment and facilities.
My name is Vivian Wanjiko Monene. Today I'm serving main meal for the guests. We have 2 main meals. For the buttered potatoes, we are serving with buttered spinach and spicy fish together with the sauce. And we have ugali here. We are serving with vegetables and the stew.
Viewers, join me as we see what the students do under this department. So, good afternoon, sir. Please introduce yourself to me and tell me how your experience has been in this restaurant ever since you came.
So my name's Karan, and for the customer wise it's quite good because you get the best experience out of it. Ever since I come for lunch, the experience been very good. You wouldn't get this type of experience elsewhere, even in the very big restaurants or in big 5-star hotels.
Would you recommend a student from here to work in any big hotel?
Yes, I would definitely recommend the students.
Thank you very much. Thank you. It's really great to have you around.
My name is Wayne Waithaka, and today I was a waiter at the restaurant. My experience has been very fantastic. Yes, the training is of high quality. The teachers are very diverse in their experiences, and it's been very positive.
The best cooks, the state-of-the-art service, and the most amazing housekeepers really do come from the hospitality department of Zetech University. I've been your host, Yusuf Farah. This has been What's Up Zetech. Until I see you next time, stay trendy.